5 minutes.
Hey, Spunk. Hey, you miss me? Oh, God, I missed your face. How come he's still in here? Hey, Shen, can Reb come back to the unit with me?
She has to spend her first night back from hospital in medical under obs. It's protocol.
He has to spend his first night in medical.
That's what I said.
I'm really sorry. What's going on? Are you all right?
If I can't live as a man, I don't want to live at all. I'd rather die.
Trav. Yeah. Yeah, so what'd you find out? Is she as cashed up as she claims?
Man, I haven't worked out like that in ages. Oh, I feel deadly. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing.
What, I'm punching too hard?
No.
Then what?
No,
What is it?
I've got to pay Murray back.
You can't do anything dumb, Booms. Trust me. Murray's not worth it.
No, because, like, that's just a funny thing, eh? 'Cause, like, after what I done to Liz, I'm cactus. Like, I can't get no more time, can I? So, you know, I might as well be the one to take her out for good. For Liz, and I still love me mum, you know? Like, and probably always will. Is that weird?
Look, your mum couldn't handle the grog, and I hated the way she treated you, but yeah, I know what you mean.
And Lizzie. What happened in that siege thing? Like, it probably helped give her the stroke, eh?
We don't know that.
No, because I keep thinking, like, she might still be here if, like, that didn't happen.
All right. Hey, grab that bag.
Eh?
Go over there and hold the bag. Come on. Yep, that's it. Look at me. This is Mari, yeah? So whatever you're feeling in there, you put it out over here, yeah? So watch me. You just go whack, jab, and it's Mari. And you're punching Mari's titties like left titty, left titty, left titty, right titty, left. See? I knew I'd get a smile out of you.
It's because you're a dick.
You'll be right.
Yeah.
I gotta go have a shower.
Okay.
Catch you later.
Bye.
Come here.
What's up?
I promised I'd take care of you, huh?
What's happening?
So I had Trav look into that Murray. We had a chick that offered to pay for your surgery, and it turns out that she owned brothels and shit. She's got to be loaded.
Yeah.
Mitchell's just gone to the shower, and I don't reckon there's going to be anyone else in there. Ruby, Mitchell, I can do this for you, but I've got to move now.
What? No.
Everything that you want to be, I can give you that. All the shit that's gone wrong, I can fix that for you in an instant. I want you to be everything that you want to be. If you'd rather die than not live like...
You're not a murderer.
Hey,
no.
I can do this. Let me do this for us, for you.
Okay. Fuck. Okay, yeah. You check with Mari, right? What? No, do not do anything until I check with her. I mean it.
Okay. Okay, but you gotta hurry. I'll meet you by the shower.
Okay, go. Wait, where's Mari? Wait, where's Mari?
Slag's in there.
Hey, the deal still stands, right?
What deal? Give me the fucking shit!
I am not paying for this, all right? This is not what I want.
Can I give a shit?
We gotta go right fucking now.
Give me the fucking shit!
Safer, I need you to come with me right now. Jesus, come on, baby, we gotta go now. Now. Come on, baby, we need to go. Now, Lou! Kate, with us!
It's okay. I'm here.
You know, I wish they'd hurry up and take you out so we can all get some fucking sleep.
Don't worry, you mightn't have to wait too long.
Fucking liar!
Novak's in the slot. We can't keep her there forever. Sooner or later, that feud will continue.
Vera, I've been a bit snarky with you and I'm sorry. Do you forgive me?
I do know how stressful this place is. There's nothing to forgive, Anne. Sorry. Oh, I have to get this.
Oh, thank you, Miss Miles. You can wait outside.
Thank you, Miss Miles.
Kelly, I got a proposition for you.
Oh, you want to take me out to dinner first?
I want you to take Mari Winter and the other ex-protection prisoners under your wing. Guarantee their safety. I can't afford another incident like today. And I know your reputation in here affords you some power, and that you have ambition for more. So think of it as a ready-made crew.
Oh, of freaks and fucking weirdos.
Who have been marginalised because they don't adhere to the norm.
Ah, of course, yep.
Also, I want you to keep an eye on Bryant. Report to me anything of interest. I want you to be my eyes and ears on that side of the bars.
Okay. So you want me to lag for you, hmm? And what do I get out of this other than a bunch of carny folk and a shit sandwich?
I'm willing to let Keane resume her HRT. And I'll be a sympathetic ear to her desire for top surgery. I know how much you love her.
Him.